true or false? Why do teens crave instant Asian noodles? Have you ever noticed how teenagers seem almost addicted to instant Asian noodles? Chapaguri, Shin Ramyun, Mi Goreng, the list goes on. Parents often wonder, is this craving because my teen is missing vitamins or minerals? Let's find out. First, what do these noodles actually contain? A serving of Chapaguri has iron, around 3.7 milligrams, which can be up to 40% of daily needs, a little calcium and potassium, and zero vitamin D. In other words, instant noodles are mostly carbs, fat, and salt, with only a small boost of iron. So, why do teens crave them? The truth is, it's less about deficiency and more about flavor and psychology. Instant noodles are salty, fatty, and umami rich. That flavor combination lights up the brain's reward system, something especially active in adolescence. They're also quick and comforting. Perfect for a study break, easy to share with friends, and tied to pop culture moments like the movie Parasite. Add in the instant energy rush from simple carbs, and it's no wonder teens find them irresistible. But here's the important part: cravings don't usually mean a teen is missing nutrients. Salt cravings can come from stress or dehydration. Iron deficiency rarely shows up as noodle cravings. What we're really looking at is a mix of taste, habit, and comfort. Now, instant noodles are fine as an occasional snack. The issue is when they replace balanced meals. Too much sodium can raise long term blood pressure risk, and the lack of vitamins and fiber can leave real gaps in nutrition. So, what can you do? Try adding vegetables like spinach, carrots, or broccoli. Add protein, boiled egg, tofu, or lean chicken. And cut down on the seasoning packet by mixing in herbs or spices. This way, your teenager still gets the comfort and taste they love, but with the nutrients their body actually needs. So, why do teens crave instant Asian noodles? It's not because they're missing vitamins, it's because they're flavor packed, comforting, and social. Balance is the key. Occasional noodles are fine, but they should never replace real, nourishing food. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, check out more health myth videos on our channel.